Our coverage of CES 2026 is brought to you by Geekom, and our trusted partners are Alphacool and HAVN. Cooler Master has been really getting into making just insane cases recently, like this right here, the Cosmos S. It is a giant case intended for your high-end CPUs, like for example your Threadrippers, not just in size, but also in cooling potential. Because if you look at the back, it has a giant 360 by 360 cooling setup meant to dissipate over 1,000 watts. So they literally validated this thing to ensure that even a 96 core Threadripper is able to run at a nice and cool temperature. But that's not the only thing that's overkill about this thing. Even just the front I/O, you have 4 USB Type A, 2 USB Type C, and something that I can't believe I have to point out, but unlike so many other cases nowadays, it actually has a hardware reset button. So good job there, Cooler Master. Thank you for doing the bare minimum. There's also some other things we should probably address about this thing. Like for example, these little modules right here, which really just look like dials on a car. You can just put them at the top right here, or even on the side panel. It is literally just a magnetic frame you attach to the outside, so you can just move it anywhere. The same thing with the screen right here. You can just put it anywhere, or even it has a stand and you can just put it on your desk instead. And it gets even more insane than this, because apart from just the regular Cosmos S, you also have this right here, a golden edition of it. Apart from just these gold accents, that is basically just gold paint, you do actually get a proper 24 karat badge right at the front. And as such, as you can imagine, this is a very limited piece. In fact, they said that they're going to have about 10 of these for the entire European region. So that kind of tells you how exclusive it will be. And it's not like many people will be buying them anyway. The Cosmos S will cost you $400, and this right here, oh, that's going to be $800. Literally twice the price for the golden color and the badge. If you want to get it yourself, then it has already launched in the APAC region, and everywhere else it should be late Q1 or Q2. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Byrne, Just to Rage, Elevronyak, Balaj Voka, Not a Student, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.